Here we have a Mercedes Sprinter van. This is a 144 wheelbase high roof model. We have exterior lighting and a beautiful X-Guard grille guard on the front, protecting the grille and headlights. We also have a lot of labeling for ease of maintenance and wheel torque indicators, as well as these markers on the grille guard. On this unit, we've added a jump port in the event the vehicle ever goes dead for easy access. You don't need to open the hood. We also have a shore power port for charging the auxiliary batteries after workday. Labeling for fuel, and additional wheel torque indicators obviously on all four wheels. On the inside, we have more labeling. We have an hour meter as well as OEM switches, just for easy access and making that finished look. And then up in the cab, we have additional switches and lighting we've added, along with some accessories for first aid in the event of any emergencies. And then all our fuses are inside this driver's side seat base. This easily pops down. And then our fuses are inside here, along with the actual layout of where those fuses are and what they actually function. So let's take a look in the cargo area. These exterior lights have been mounted on both sides. We have a light bar up on the top, as well as an arrow board at the rear. We have locks for security. So this van has been set up as a full turnkey. Once it's delivered, it goes into service. Everything's labeled. All tools are in place. Hoses, wiring fully connected. We have outlets here with the on-off switches, so the event we need to directly shut off one accessory, that can be done. The shelving has been modified for easy access in the event a tool happens to get lost underneath. You still could go reach in and find that item. This is our battery box housing 400 amp hour batteries. Very easy to service, along with the shore power access. And then we've got outlets here in our 5,000 watt Victron inverter system with a quick connect plug. And then low battery alarms and hour meters. So let's take a look from the rear. This is actually where all the work will be done, as the operator would spend most of the time back here. They've got the on-off switch for the inverter system. Additional outlets with their own on-off switches. We have exterior lighting. This is about 7,000 lumens each of exterior lighting. And a cord reel here for servicing in the event something needs to be cut open. So if you want a turnkey setup, where it could arrive to your facility fully set up, give us a call. Our number is 866-925-4844.